Hello, welcome to the server. Yes, this is SBS server. I'm just going to go downstairs and find out.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Extra rehearsal? My place. Tonight at 7. Tonight. There's Wednesday's mandatory family dinner. With my family. Dinner. Whatever. Lunch? Sure. Everybody's a director now. You people at Lincoln Bay High killed it. I noticed more of you wearing these red specs that were the epitome of the cool. Can we talk about what's not cool for a second? The school keeps confiscating our stuff. Just this trouble. Playlists and players with big private time, you know? Music is the soundtrack to our lives. It's where we've been and where we're going and everywhere in between. Our music is who we are. Are we letting someone just snatch that away from us?
Starbucks. I love Starbucks.
Here's a new song about trying things you never thought you could. I've been watching new things lately, and the song Stevie really inspires me. So,
What?
AFC mode? Really dig on it. And then, remember that feeling. Tomorrow at 8 a.m., stop what you're doing, get up, and dance. Just express yourself, let yourself out. This is Turn It All Around by the Genius.
Hey, Tara. Can I talk to you?
Oh my god.
It's
I'm going
about
to say hello, Satan. Okay.
This song?
the one Lady Rebel played last night. At first, I couldn't believe that she likes our music. Then I wondered, how'd she get our number? Got anything you want to confess? It's you, isn't it?
It's me. It's me.
You're the one.
That's why I'm going to be one of...
You're the one. You gave the CD to your stepdad to give to radio.
You know, I can just come in.
It's like people are hearing me hear me. That sounded crazy. It is. That's you. Radio Rebel is amazing.
She's really...
She gets caught. It's like I'd be able to recognize her on the street just by how well I know her from her show.
did you miss? They're everywhere. My mom just called and said she saw me on the bus. I was like, no, I'm in Slam. She was like, no, you're on the bus. I decided they're spending money on marketing for you, which means the ratings must be up. You're famous. No, you're not. No, Radio Rebel is.